My name is Madhurima. Generally, artists have a lot of struggle. Plus, when things like Corona come, then our struggle increases because as it is, very few people buy art. It's a luxury commodity. So even fewer people bought, and then all galleries were shut. Everything was shut. So Corona was a difficult phase. But whenever a difficult phase comes, I'm also interested in spirituality. So for me, it is a time to go inside. And when I went inside and when I meditated on whatever was happening outside, this was the painting that kind of came to me, that this is also God's will. Because we human beings, we did so much of pollution and industrialization. We went against nature. We became like an enemy of nature. So the development that we have done in last 200, 300 years is not sustainable development at all. It is not good for us. It is like sitting on the branch of a tree and cutting the tree from the other end. So that's why I have tried to show mottam industrialization, urbanization, silhouette lo undi, shadow lo undi. That is going behind. What is coming in the forefront is nature. So if you see, coronavirus looks a lot like one flower in India we call kadam flower. So Lord Krishna used to sit under that kadam flower tree with Radharani. So to me, it seemed like God is sending that message that you have to return to nature. We have to return to a development which is good for everybody, not only for human beings, because planet is not just for us. There are other animals on the planet. So that's why I have depicted that Corona is like a blessing. Blessing in the sense, we have to now reflect what we went wrong in life. So God is doing Shankh. He did that in Kurukshetra to say whenever adharma increases, I will come back to protect the good people and to harm the bad people, to teach them a lesson. So if you see, Ayurvedic doctors are also saying Corona is bad for those people whose immunity levels are low. Ante those people have not taken good care of themselves. That's why their bodies have become like that. So Corona is also a reminder we should take good care of ourselves. Then our immunity levels will be fine. And Corona or no Corona, we will not be that much affected. So that's why I have shown Krishna, nature is coming in the forefront, and Goddess is giving coronavirus as a gift to Mother Earth. For Mother Earth, it has been good. Corona is bad for human beings. If we leave that human being's perspective and if we think from everybody's perspective, then Corona is a reminder that now we should change our path. Now we should plan our economy in such a way that it does not affect nature. We should not cause so much of air pollution. So that is my message. I have titled it Corona Avtaram for Mother Earth. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm very grateful to the government and to State Art Gallery and to Mrs. K. Lakshmi Garu, who is the director. They thought about this because for us there was nothing. I do some freelance writing to support my life. But for many artists, I think they may not be able to do writing work. So for them, that was a difficult time. So this was a great opportunity for many artists. And in this exhibition, if you have noticed, many people from other states have also participated. So I really wish people in other galleries who are gallery owners and other states also, they should also give an opportunity for artists to showcase their work. And as artists, we get many ideas. When we meditate, when we reflect, we get many ideas. So when those ideas come in the forefront, people also will get ideas. So art is for celebration of life. In Corona, everybody has gone into a very depressed mode. So when you see so much of color around, everybody feels happy. Because now we have to get back to life. We can't forever sit inside. So when we have to get back to life, art is like an inspiration. So this is a great opportunity for artists, but it is also good for society. So a lot of people came on, when the show was inaugurated. And I really hope this show inspires people in the city. And more such shows come up. So it will be opportunity for artists also, and it will also spark inspiration for living well.